Hello and welcome to the section 5 of the course Monitor and Secure Cyber Attacks in Wireshark. Now in this section we are going to take a look at various points. We will learn about various cyber attacks and then how you can monitor these kind of attacks using Wireshark that we are going to cover here in this section. Network attacks inside a network. Now in this video we are going to take a look at a couple of points. We will learn about the network attacks available and I'll also explain you the process of these kind of network attacks. So let's start with the first attack here, flooding attack. So how an attacker flood the entire network. So there are various scripts available, there are various tools are available which can be used to send the packets from outside network to inside network, right? I can flood the entire network and I can take down the entire network at the same time. So we are going to cover flooding attack inside this section as well, right? So flooding is a kind of network attack. Now next is network scanning. Basically network scanning is not a kind of attack. Basically it is a kind of scanning inside your network to find out the weakness or vulnerabilities. But for example, if attacker is trying to use these network scanning tools to gather information about your network, so then it is an attack. So here you can see in the figure that attacker has various network scanning tools, for example like Nmap, Nessus. So these are the network scanning tools, and with the help of these network scanning tools attacker can easily scan your network and then he can find out the vulnerabilities inside it, and then he can use various exploits to attack on your network and can take complete access inside your network. So network scanning is also a kind of network attack if attacker is doing it, right? So these are the various attacks available inside network, right? And we are going to perform these kind of attacks inside this section.